Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning this morning. It's a little bit late for me. It's after 7, but I'm leaving out. I'm heading out to head to the salon. So yeah, it's a beautiful morning. I didn't go to the salon yesterday. It was all editing and working on stuff at the house. I was clearing out my garage, emptying some stuff into the back of the pickup truck to go dump it in the dumpster. So every day I take out a little bit at a time, a little bit of stuff at a time, and empty it into the dumpster. I have a lot of stuff that we don't need in the garage and in the trailer, so I'm cleaning those things out, getting them ready for sale, and just making space in the garage. There's a lot of junk in there. It's good stuff, but it's just piled up to where we don't need them. I try to sell them out on Facebook Marketplace. Sorry guys, I put my seatbelt on. Yeah, I post a few of those things on Facebook Marketplace. No one is interested in them. I lowered the price. Apparently ain't nobody buying those things, right? So, or in this area that's buying those things. So eventually I might just put free on it, or I'll probably just take it to the donation place. They take most of those things, so I'll just get rid of them, or toss them if no one wants them. So yeah, so it's early. I'm heading down to the salon. I'm gonna do a quick clean, and it shouldn't be dirty, because yesterday most people don't come in on Mondays, so it might not be dirty on today. What else? Pepper's project, still waiting on those plans. I reached out to the architect yesterday to see if he heard anything from the county. Nothing yet, guys, nothing yet. However, it's just one issue to correct, so hopefully they could look through it this week and get some good news this week. Time is running, guys. The time is running out on us. We don't have much time. It's already August, so we have to get cracking on this thing immediately. We can't go into next month. If we go into next month, then we're gonna be off when it comes to the grand opening. We're trying to get ready for November. However, if the longer it takes in permitting, then the longer that build out time is gonna be, right? We can't build a whole place in a month, so we're gonna need more time. If this pushes out to next month before we get permitting, then we're gonna need more time to do the build, definitely. So I would have to get with Circle K to just tell them, hey, we need more time. Yeah, so we're on it. We still haven't heard anything, still waiting. So there's nothing we could do, what I'm saying? I could buy most of those little things, little by little. I just buy them up on, some market here. And then that's the only thing I could do, is just buy up the equipment and all of that. I got some of the stuff already. The hood and stuff, I'm gonna call that guy, see if he could come in and start working on that. As soon as I get the permits, we could start on the grease trap. The plumbers and all those guys are ready to go. They're just waiting on the permit. They can't do anything without a permit, There's water heaters that I need to purchase, so I'm gonna see if I could start buying those things, the bigger items. I just don't have anywhere to put them. The water heater and stuff we need, because they're gonna have to install those. But the what do you call it? The refrigerators and stuff. I don't have anywhere to put all those items. So I didn't want to buy them and put them in the space, and then while we're working they get dirty. We have to be moving them around inside the space. As you can tell if you look at the previous videos, there's a lot of stuff in there already, you know, between the sinks and the fridge. I took out the trailer and some tables, you know, there's not much space. So I didn't want to put them in there and it gets in the way of the workmen, you know. So yeah, there's nothing I could do. It's just a waiting game right now for the permits. If I get a chance, only if I could get rid of some of these things in the garage, then I could start putting stuff in there. But those items are good items as well. I don't really want to get rid of, you know, good stuff, you know. I'd rather keep them until we may need it, you know. Anyhow, I'm heading to salon. Hope everybody's having a great day this morning. Thank you guys who have subscribed and keep watching so far. I appreciate that. You know, I ain't here to quit this YouTube thing. I'm gonna keep going, keep pressing. You know what I'm saying? It's just a life every day for me. You know what I'm saying? Whoever is interested. Whoever is not, then it's not. You know, everybody have their people who they watch. You know. So I hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody's having a great day today. The sun is coming out where I'm at. So it's a beautiful day. You know, school is out, school is in. So, you know, you got the school buses, children going to school. Just do what you have to do and make your day a great day. In whatever you do, you know, wherever you work, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Don't let the stress of life get to you. Just keep pushing. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm reaching the end of the road on certain things, but I just, you know, keep pushing. Tomorrow's another day, you know what I'm saying? Keep going. It'll work out, you know. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you when I get to the salon. I'm gonna check back in and do some more footages from the salon. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm here at the salon. Ain't no one here yet. Just workers for the restaurants. I noticed someone left their garbage right here by the back door. I'm thinking it's one of those daily rental persons. They should have took it to the dumpster over there, but they left it by the back door. However, we're just gonna throw it out. We got a dumpster right here. Yeah, so it's a beautiful morning. It's not too hot this morning. It's nice and cool. Yeah guys, nice and cool this morning. No, it's not gonna be hot. Well, it might be hot later on today, but so far it's not muggy. So let's see what's going on. Alright, so we gotta, I'm gonna have to send out a letter to them. So hold on 1 second, let me get the camera. So if you notice, they be putting here and stuff like that. All that stuff need to be dumped, not in our bathrooms, but in their garbage and then take to the dumpster. So guys, it's not too bad in here. It's just a little bit here, a little bit of here and there, you know. So you got some here, right there, some here, right there. Just needs to vacuum, you know. But it's not dirty. I think they got a spill right there. Small spill. Alright, so it's just to vacuum and then clean the bathrooms, and then this will be good to go. Back mat need to vacuum. So it's not much. It's not that bad. 15 minutes and I'm done. So alright guys, I'm gonna get to it. Stay tuned. I don't know what's next. I don't have anything else to do, so today might be a slow day too, but let me get cleaning and clean this up. There's no one here, so let me get it clean before anyone comes in. And then I'll move to the next. Washroom is good, washer and dryer. I just clean the fingerprints off the glass, and then that's it for here. Empty that lint basket. Yeah, but stay tuned guys. Let me clean this place real quick. Alright guys, so I'm still here at the salon. In this room right here, we have a vent right there, but what happened is we had split this room in two. It was a huge room and we just split it in two, make it into two smaller rooms. So what happened is on the return vent, that's a return vent right there, it returns the air. So when in your AC system you have a vent that flows the air, the cool air, and then you have a return system that sucks the air back up into the system, cools it, and keep the air circulating in the building, right? So each room has a flow and it has a return, right? I don't know if they call it flow in the AC world, but the one that blows the cool air, and then you have a return system. In your household you have that as well. It's just not in every room. In a household settings you have a flow that's flowing the cool air, but then you have one central return somewhere in the house, right? In this case we have it in every room. So anyhow, that vent that you see right there needs to be over in one room, and then I'm going to supply another vent over in the other room. Reason for this is why I'm moving it, because it's sharing half and half right now. So whenever you talk over here, the next person in the other room, it just travels over through that vent. That's one. And then this room may not be insulated up there, so you're hearing a lot of talking. It's real loud on the other side. So as you can tell, it's got acoustic ceilings, but I'm going to pretty much see if I could bring this vent, I'm going to bring this vent over on this side, and then I'm going to connect another vent to go on the other side of the room, so they'll have a return. As I said, when we had split this wall down the middle of this room, we had just run it not thinking it would have been a problem, but now that they're here and they're using the room and stuff like that, it's me talking like this, the next person next door is loud. You could hear it through these vents. All right, so we're just gonna separate that and put some insulation in the ceiling over on both sides of the rooms. That way the sound doesn't travel. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get that done. Not today, but I'm just checking the ceilings just to see what I might need in terms of materials. I know I'm gonna need another vent to put in the next room. I also gonna need the ducting, the AC ducting to go over there, and I'm gonna probably need some more insulation, which I have insulation already, and I'm gonna need some of this acoustic ceiling, which I have already. It's just to paint it black. I have them in white, so I'm just gonna paint it black. So stay tuned guys, I'm just checking. I can't hold the camera, I'm up on the ladder. As you can tell, I'm on the ladder. So I'm gonna put the camera up and then take a look at up there, and then I think I'm gonna, what I saw, they have this Ray-Ban sells these Meta glasses. I guess it's Facebook Meta glasses. They link with Ray-Ban, so they got the camera inside the glasses, like right here, one right here, one right here. So It's 300 bucks though. I'm thinking of buying it because projects like these where I can't hold my hand, I can't use my hand to hold the camera. I need both hands to do what I'm doing. I could put that glasses on and then you see what I'm seeing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking it would be a good investment to get one of those cameras. It's a good life everyday camera. While I'm driving, you could see what I'm seeing while I'm driving. I think it would be worth the investment. So I'm gonna look into that, guys. Anyhow, let me put this camera up, see what I need. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm here. This is my door switch to unlock the truck. I noticed ever since I start driving it again, the window, like you see how that automatic window right there, this side works but that side wasn't working. The passenger side wasn't working. I could replace the whole switch. The switch is what's going bad, guys. The contacts in there get messed up, they corrode, they circuit boards break. But what I did, I cleaned this one up, the one for the window, and now it's working. So that side is now working. See, all I did was just clean it up and put it back. Sometimes dirt get in there or water will come in and cause things to get corroded. So all I did was just clean it up and get it going again. So I took this apart to where the circuit board is. You could just unclip it and it separates and you could see the circuit board in there. So all I do is just clean those contact and now it's working. So as you can tell, see, it's going up, it's coming down, right? This one as well wasn't working. That's the to control the mirrors. So as you can tell, the mirror is now working as well. Left, right. It was working side to side, but it wasn't working up and down. So that's now fixed. So this one is fixed. This one is fixed, but I think the one for the door lock, it's burnt out. The contacts in there don't look too good. It looked like the board itself, something is wrong with that little board. So when I plug it in, it doesn't. It used to work on the open, but the lock side wasn't working. So see, now it's nothing is working. When you do this, it's supposed to lock or unlock this door. So it's not working. So I'm just gonna buy the this switch. You could buy each switch separately. You could buy this switch, you could buy this one, or you could buy this one separately, or the whole thing if you want. But I'm just gonna replace this one for now. See, when you press this, it's supposed to, let's see. Alright, so like when you close the door and you hit that, it's supposed to close, it's not doing anything. So I'm thinking this circuit board is bad in there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it back in for now, and then once I put it back in, I'm gonna purchase the switch itself. It's on Amazon. I found them on Amazon, so just gonna, let's see if I could, see. So let me try and put this back in. I want to try and do it one-handed. See, it just clips in. Alright. So that works. So now I'm gonna put this one in. Let's see. It just clips in, guys. You got some clips on the side right here that clips into these little section. So we just clip it in like that. See? Easy as that. So if you got one of these 3500 or any GMC truck or Chevy truck, this is how you would do it, just clips right in. And you can't clip it wrong, guys. It's only one way in. And then this also clips in. See, you got a clip right here and you got a clip right here. So this also clips in. I got a clean behind here too. It's real dirty. See? Just put it behind there. Alright. I can't do this with one hand, guys, so let me pause for a minute. Alright, so let me put it in. Get it in. So, see? There we go. It's in. So now everything works. See? Front window, back window works. You know. This works. That works. That window works. Up and down. The only one don't work right now is the oh, the window lock don't work too, guys. That window lock. Normally, yeah. So the only thing that won't work is the window lock, window lock, and the door lock. I don't really care about the window lock because I don't need to lock the windows. The only time you lock the windows is when you have kids and you don't want them to wind the window down while they're in the rear. But let me turn. It's hot over here, guys. Yeah. So only the door lock. I need the door lock because sometimes the door is closed and you want to let somebody in. You could hit that button and it'll open the door. Yeah. So the door lock I'm gonna replace. I don't have to replace the window lock. That could stay. Yeah. It's hot, guys. I'm sweating. Look. Alright, so that's fixed. I'm gonna add throwing out some of the things from out of the garage and the trailer. I had them in the van, so I emptied them this morning. So I'm gonna go through again and find more stuff to every time I come back. I'm gonna just try find stuff to throw out in the garage. You know, I got a bunch of just little crap laying around. I'm gonna go through and pack what I don't need and then get rid of the rest. So alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm here cleaning out the garage, trying to make some space. I got some space right here. Everything was all the way over, so now I'm taking some of these things to the salons, not the salon, the restaurant, like the sink. Those things I'm gonna put in the trailer. All these things I'm gonna put in the trailer. Rest them in the trailer for now until weekend. But I got a little bit of space in here now. In terms of the walkway, everything was all the way over here. So let's hope I could get rid of some more things, make more space. Alright, guys, give me a few. I'm working. Look, I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm getting it done though.